How to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. So if you want to fix your trading disabled in MetaTrader 5 or MT5, if you're seeing that trading disabled error in MetaTrader 5, then here are a few reasons why it might be happening and how you can fix it. Number one, new account without deposit. The most common reason is that you've created a new trading account but haven't made a deposit yet. Most brokers require you to fund your account before enabling live trading. So make sure you've deposited the required amount. Number two is app cache or file issues. If you've already made a deposit and trading is still disabled, the next step is to clear potential app issues. You need to go with your phone settings, or you can just simply tap and hold on to your MetaTrader 5 and then go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache or clear storage. Once you've cleared your cache, it will help refresh the app and often resolves bugs that may cause trading functions to be disabled. Number three is if the market is closed. Another possible reason is that the market is currently closed depending on your broker and the asset that you are trading, such as Forex, commodities, and indices. Markets are not open 24/7, so wait until the market reopens and try again. This should fix the trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.